Okay, we're in Unit 6, equations, solving two-step equations. Today's objective, you can solve two-step equations. Example 1 is problem-solving application, means a word problem. It says the Kerr family spent $52 for circus tickets. The cost included a $3.25 service for the order. Circus tickets cost $9.75 each. How many tickets did the Kerrs buy? So we're going to say the price of ticket times the number of tickets plus the service fee is equal to the total cost. Just go ahead and pause it so you can write all that down. When you're finished, push play again. So now we need to put some stuff in there. It says the price of a ticket is $9.75, so we're going to put that right here. Times the number of tickets, that's what I want to find. How many tickets did they buy? So I'm just going to use N for number of tickets. Plus the service fee, it says the cost included a $3.25 service. So that's $3.25. And our total cost, it says they spent $52. I'm going to draw our line. So the first step I have to do, I kind of have to work backwards. So if I were to work this problem, I would multiply, then add. So if I work backwards, I need to get rid of that adding first. So I'm going to subtract 325 to both sides. So now I have 9.75 N is equal to 48.75. So now it's one step, and I just divide both sides by 9.75. When I do this, I get N is equal to 5. So the Kerrs bought 5 tickets. Again, remember, we've got to work backwards. So on A, the first thing I'm going to do, draw my line. So if I were to solve this, I would add 7, then divide by 4. So if I work backwards, I have to get rid of that dividing by 4 first. So I'm going to multiply both sides by whatever's on bottom. So both sides times 4. I can cross these ones out, so I'm left with R plus 7. 5 times 4 is 20. Now I have a one-step equation. I needed to get rid of that plus 7, so I'm going to subtract 7 to both sides. So R is equal to 13. Same thing for B. So if I were to do this problem, the first thing I would do is divide by 3 and then add 7. So I work backwards, so I need to get rid of that add 7 first. So I'm going to subtract 7 to both sides. So I'm left with N over 3 is equal to 22 minus 7 is 15. And then I multiply both sides by 3. So N is equal to 45. So you guys, I excel for this is W7, solving two-step equations. Again, I know it was a short lesson, but there's a lot of practice to it.